Mercedes-Benz, the brand that built its reputation on cars that last forever. But why are so many modern Mercedes failing at just 80,000 miles? We've talked to factory technicians, dug into long-term reliability data, and studied real-world million-mile taxes to bring you 10 insider secrets to make your Mercedes last a lifetime. These aren't just basic tips. These are the strategies that separate the lasting legends from the costly breakdowns. If you're a successful professional who bought a Mercedes expecting it to last like the old days, smash that subscribe button, because these secrets will restore the legendary durability you paid for. Starting at number 10, the German taxi secret. And this revelation will change how you think about Mercedes maintenance forever. In Germany, Mercedes taxis routinely exceed 500,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. How? German taxi operators treat them like commercial vehicles, not luxury cars. They perform maintenance based on operating hours, not just mileage. A taxi running 12 hours a day gets different service than a weekend cruiser. The key insight? Mercedes engines are designed for constant operation. Short trips and cold starts actually cause more wear, so apply this to your car. If you're mostly city driving, increase your maintenance frequency by 50%. If you're a highway commuter, you can safely extend some intervals. It's about understanding how you actually use your car. Secret number 9 could save you from an $8,000 disaster: the balance shaft prevention protocol. In M272 and M273 engines, the balance shaft sprockets are made from a material that deteriorates. Over 60% of these engines will experience this failure between 80,000 to 120,000 miles. Here's the protocol. At 75,000 miles, have a specialist inspect the sprockets with a borescope. And number 8 is the airmatic preservation system. This can extend your air suspension life from 80,000 miles to over 200,000. Airmatic systems fail because of moisture and compressor overwork, with average repairs costing $2,500. Here's the preservation protocol. Every 40,000 miles, have the system purged and refilled with fresh air. Replace the air filter every 20,000 miles. It's a $50 part that prevents compressor damage. The secret step? Monthly activation cycles. Once a week, raise and lower the car through all its height settings. This keeps the seals lubricated and prevents them from drying out and cracking. The difference isn't the parts. It's the maintenance philosophy. Secret number 7 could keep you legal and safe. The SBC Brake System Survival Guide for 2003 to 2009 models. The Sensortronic brake control system has a fatal flaw. The pump motor wears out and the system can shut down, making the car illegal to drive. These systems typically fail after 150,000 to 200,000 actuations. Here's the survival guide. At 100,000 actuations, have the SBC pump motor preemptively replaced for about $1,500. If you wait for failure, you're looking at $3,500 plus towing. The real secret? SBC systems can be retrofitted with conventional brakes for around $2,500, eliminating the problem forever. Mercedes discontinued SBC but won't tell existing owners about these options. Number 6 exposes the transmission fluid conspiracy. Mercedes claims their transmissions have lifetime fluid. According to independent specialists, this is pure marketing fiction. Here's the truth. That fluid breaks down from heat and becomes acidic after 60,000 miles, eating your transmission from the inside. The secret maintenance schedule? Change your transmission fluid every 40,000 miles. It costs about $400. A new transmission costs $6,000 to $8,000. European dealers quietly recommend fluid changes despite corporate policy because they see the failures. American dealers follow corporate guidelines and profit from the inevitable replacements. Shops report that transmissions with regular fluid changes can last over 300,000 miles. Don't fall for the lifetime fluid myth. Number 5. The Electronic Module Protection Plan. This simple plan can stop computer failures that cost over $3,000. Modern Mercedes are packed with over 100 electronic modules, and they fail from voltage spikes, moisture, and heat. Here's the plan. If your car sits for more than a week, use a high-quality battery tender. Weak batteries cause voltage fluctuations that fry sensitive electronics. Also, change your cabin air filter regularly. A clogged one traps moisture, which corrodes those modules. But here's the real secret weapon: A $5 tube of dielectric grease. Apply it to electrical connections during maintenance to prevent corrosion. Master technicians do this on their own cars, and guess what? They almost never have electrical problems. Coming in at number 4 is the diesel exhaust fluid strategy. If you own a BlueTech diesel, this is crucial. These systems use a fluid called DEF to cut emissions, but they are incredibly sensitive. Using the wrong DEF or letting the tank run dry can destroy the entire system. The strategy is simple. Only use Mercedes-approved DEF. It contains special inhibitors that prevent injector clogging, a $2,500 repair. And never, ever let the tank run empty. The real pro tip? Get the DEF system purged and refilled at every oil change. Old fluid crystallizes and causes clogs, leading to $3,000 repairs. This $50 service can prevent a world of hurt. At number 3, we have the engine mount replacement protocol. This prevents a catastrophic domino effect of failures. Mercedes uses special hydraulic engine mounts to absorb vibration. They typically wear out around 80 to 100,000 miles. Most people ignore the subtle vibrations until it's too late. Here's the protocol. Replace all engine and transmission mounts as a set at 80,000 miles. It might cost $1,200, but failed mounts can cause over $5,000 in damage to your transmission, differential, and suspension. A small vibration from a bad mount quickly destroys other expensive parts. It's a repair cascade that dealers often treat as separate issues, leading you back for one expensive fix after another. Now for secret number 2, and this one will absolutely shock you, the fuel system cleaning revolution. Mercedes direct injection engines need a professional fuel system cleaning every 20,000 miles. Why don't they tell you? Because they profit from engine replacements. In these engines, fuel is sprayed directly into the combustion chamber, so it never cleans the intake valves. This causes massive carbon buildup that chokes your engine, cutting power by 20% and causing misfires that can destroy expensive components. The repair bill for a carbon-damaged engine can be up to $12,000. The solution? A $600 service called walnut shell blasting every 20,000 miles. It safely removes all that carbon. This is routine in Europe, but rarely mentioned here. Finally, the number 1 secret. The Mercedes longevity mindset. This isn't a mechanical trick. It's a complete shift in how you think about your car. German engineers design these cars to last over 500,000 miles, but they assume you'll maintain them like a precision instrument, not an appliance. Here's the formula. Maintain your car based on its condition, not just mileage. Use only Mercedes-approved parts and fluids. Fix small problems before they become big, expensive ones. And find a specialist who truly understands German engineering. Studies show owners with this mindset have 80% fewer problems and 50% lower ownership costs. Mercedes aren't unreliable. They're unforgiving. Treat them right, and they will reward you with legendary durability. So there you have it. 5 secrets to transform your Mercedes ownership experience from a financial nightmare into a source of pride. If this changed your perspective, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which secret surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.